Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block specific PDF file from search engine in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add custom code in .htaccess file and that code will work for WordPress and PHP website both. So we are in media library. We have two files, test.pdf, test1.pdf. Now you see file URL. Now go to .htaccess file and then we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see file match. So this is our PDF name, test1.pdf, and then you see header set, x report tag, no index, no follow, no archive, no snippet. So you can add your PDF name here like test1.pdf and then click on save changes. Now saving .htaccess file done. Now go to media library. So we added test1.pdf. First we are going to check test.pdf, copy file URL. Now go to online website, x report tag header checker. Now paste PDF and then click on check and then you see result, x report tag does not prevent indexing. So we added test1.pdf in code. Now make it test1.pdf file name. We change and then click on check again. Now processing and then you see result, x report tag prevent indexing, parameter no index, no follow, no archive, no snippet. Back to .htaccess file again. So you can add your PDF file here like test1.pdf and you can use this code for WordPress and PHP website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.